Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. So in today's video we're going to be doing day 4 look for it with this Ciate editor palette in Aspen. So really all I've got to try now shimmer wise is this shade here, which we're going to do tomorrow, and then this shade, and I'm going to use that today. And I don't know, well, I'm going to start off with that, and I don't know what else I'm going to do, to be honest. I'm going to try and find shades I haven't already used, which is at this point, at this stage, is a little bit impossible because I have played with it quite a while. I'm just looking for some brushes that I want to use, which I should have done off camera really. I think that'll be it. That should be enough brushes. Right, okay, so let's start off then with, part of me wonders if this will work. I'm just going to run it through the colour switch. It's a Spectrum brush and I don't often use it, but I need to make sure it's clean. Yeah, okay, so we're going to go in with this shade first, and it's a Spectrum CO5. No, it's not really working. So now then, let's go in with the Smashbox, which I've been using all week. Just wanted to try. Right, so I've charged the external light up, so let's get back into the eye look. I'm going to zoom in. So that's the brush I went in with. I'm just going to build the colour up, I think. Just trying to establish which shades of brown I haven't used. I don't know that I've used this one, so let's go in with that. I'm only taking it to the outer edge. That side's much darker. So let's build this side up. Right, so I'm just putting some concealer on now. Not all over, I'm just taking it to where it meets that brown eyeshadow. And for this I'm just using the Revolution Conceal and Define. Right, and then we're going to go in with this amazing looking blue here. I'm just going to run my brush through the colour switch. So what I'm going to do, as per usual, is be testing it without spritzing the brush, and then we'll spritz the brush to see what the pigment looks like. So this one in the palette is just a shimmer by the looks of it. It's not one of those cream to powder shimmers. Right, so I think I should have waited for it to dry down a little bit more, but never mind. I think we can work with that. Right, so that's looking good. Really is a beautiful colour, isn't it? It's a beautiful blue. Right, and then I'm just gonna spritz my brush with the Primark setting spray I've got, which seems to be lasting for ages. Right, is it more pigmented? I would say just a fraction, not a lot. Really, this is one of those shadows that you don't really notice by spritzing the brush. And this is why I like to test them by themselves first. Oh, it's lovely. Right, so I'm going to clean the brush off because I'm thinking I'm going to use this same brush for inner corner highlight, so that blue needs to be completely wiped off. What are we going to use? I think this shade here, I have tried to use that before, so I might have to spritz the brush for that because it was a bit lackluster from what I remember. I mean, you can definitely see the glow. I just want it a little bit more. Oh, that's better. Definitely, that is definitely better. Right, and then I've just wiped the brush off again, and we're going to go back in with this brown shade on the lash line. You literally just need the tiniest amount. Don't want it too dark. Can you see the fallout though from that shade? This eye is watering yet again. Leave that there. Black on my nose as well. Right, so mascara time. I'm gonna skip eyeliner. I don't want to aggravate my eyes more than it is. So combination is Manic Art, which we all know at this point I really don't like it that much. Just does nothing for your eyelashes. It doesn't grip. The brush, if the brush was better, the mascara might be a little bit better. And then we're using Turn Up the Volume, the Poundland one. This one, however, really does perform well. I was surprised. Just grips onto every lash, really giving you that voluminous effect. Not quite like false eyelashes, but really quite long. I don't like messing around with false eyelashes anyway. I really should learn how to do them, but yeah, just, if I'm being completely upfront with you guys, which I try and do, I just can't be bothered. I don't think I need them. It's not like I've got no lashes at all. My lashes are okay. What I want to do is I just want to make that brown in the outer corner a little bit more. Do you think I should or not? Maybe going with this Primark brush. Let's make sure that's clean. Yeah. And then I'm going to blend it out as well. So we're getting that smoky blue eye, which ever since I used the Urban Decay Smoked eyeshadow palette, I'm really enjoying, guys. Then I'm going to go in with this brush and just put the cream ivory shade on the brow bone. And we're done with the palette. Right, so then I just want to go in with the lipstick. So the lipstick of choice for today is this one. I've not used it in ages and I think it would look quite good because obviously the eye look is very, very powerful, and I don't want to put a cool toned lipstick on the lips, so I thought I would go in with this. It's by Ciate and Chloe Morello. I had to think of a name then, and I got it in like a pack with an eyeshadow palette and an eyeliner, and this really, I don't like saying it, I don't like throwing anyone's shade, but this is the best thing to come out of it. I really enjoy it. So let's put this on. It's in the shade Sydney, by the way. Oh, that is beautiful. Really, really enjoy that. It's really nice once it's dried down. So yeah, what I'm thinking about this palette so far is I'm really happy to have it in the collection. I'll be doing an overall review on it tomorrow, like a mini review, and I'll be doing some swatches on the hand so you can see them. It's just a really beautiful palette. I don't think I've used this shade either. But the thing is, I really want to use that again. Like I said in the previous video, I went and used this in a video and I didn't like the look of it, so I've not uploaded it. But I do want to use that. It's just so pretty. So I might do another look on a separate day with that one as well. But this is the eye look for today. Just look at that blue, it's so stunning, isn't it, all over the eyelid like that. I really do like it, and a few months ago I would say that I shy away from blue eyeshadow. It's just really nice. Looks quite nice with this lipstick, I find. So guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. If you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and click the notifications bell and become part of our little beauty fam. Please like, share and comment, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.